Yeah, I do want a second one. I want that one for my friends, and oh, so many decisions. Maybe the blue one. Alrighty.
Royale, he's looking at, I gave him a combo deal, he's looking at, Dave's asked a lot of different ways. now he's going up and he's thinking down a pen that takes a while to get here. Solution. Well,
are these 11? Yeah, this is one.
And actually, every time I make, since it's handcrafted,
yes,
the curvature differs.
It's a little bit different.
Yes.
Yeah.
But some people like it to be curved more.
Yes.
For the Chinese writing.
I see.
Depends on the preference as well.
Okay. And then these are like pins and necklaces?
Yeah, pens. Yes, just mini pen can write as well.
Oh my goodness, that's amazing.
So that's how it.
this one's a bit, oh, that one, a couple of shorter ones. It's in this one.
Nice to meet you. Thanks for your time. Pleasure. Enjoy.
Do you guys take cards? I think cover.
One that'll feel like a hard start.
Okay,
It is getting low on ink.
yeah, of course. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, it's a pretty wild.
That's fun.
Yeah, you don't need anything. Then we can give you like a discount if you buy without it. And then I need to use like the jaw one of the 1 billion. Yeah, that's full size pumps on there.
That one's $100
Those take a converter, which
it just
is
feels.
nice. These ones you have to use a cartridge.
It's very thin, so I think it feels different than.
All right, let's take a look at these handmade leather insert.
It's a Gobi design leather notebook. So we've got Italian or American veg tan or combo tan leather. And then on the inside, you've got a notebook riding on a stainless wire. So it's super secure and pops in and out easily, but once it's in there, you're not going to lose it. And it's a single ply leather. It's just a single layer. So it gives you, a nice flat surface to write on.
Did you want to show how you can put two in there too?
Oh, yeah, everybody likes to hear about that.
Yeah.
So this is what I'm saying is a supported hack. You can slip, I'm doing just the cover. You don't necessarily have to do that. Depends on how you want to finagle it.
Perfect.
Just the other cover.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah.
So here's a whole bunch of the leather colors. They come in larger sizes as well. And here's some here too. Beautifully made. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
This has been out for a good 7 years.
Well,
Oh, okay. I have not. I decided not to follow that concept. Okay.
I followed it.
There, now it should be faster. Alright, let's go back. Try that again.
We'll take it.
Charging friends, I would say yes.
Yeah, but you have a lot.
Yeah, it takes an hour. Last day. I want to fly back with it, so pressure on you to throw the ball in your court. All I can tell you is you get a great price.
No, we're in the
These are speaking to me.
Pumpkin cream cold brew. Pumpkin cream cold brew.
How are you?
All right, how are you?
Good.
I like the dogs.
Yeah.
That's a fresh
Hi, my name is Eileen Goldenberg, and I teach people to draw with these. Sketching, urban sketching, outside on location. We add watercolor to the permanent ink, and we go out and have fun. So this is one from Seville. That was where I traveled. This is San Francisco. And I also make sketchbooks that are made with watercolor paper that are great for urban sketching. They're lightweight, they can be refilled, and they're very portable.
Perfect.
So I'm showing people who say they can't draw, and then they come out of my class and, they can draw.
Awesome. And then this is your pottery too, right?
Ceramics too. So these are bowls that are made for watercolorists. So they stay on the brim because they've got this on here. And then these are cups that I make for tea or coffee with a lid.
Awesome.
All made of porcelain, all hand thrown, and all my own glazes. So that's my own glaze that I invented. Yeah, very cool. And then I have this big vase here.
Cool.
I even grew the hydrangeas.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I do everything.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
All right, I'm gonna open one of these up.
Yeah. Really good Fabriano watercolor paper.
Yeah, you can tell the texture on this paper is superb, and it has those live cut edges, which is really cool.
Yeah, let me show you this one, which is one that I filled up.
Oh,
These
wow.
are all sketches from all over San Francisco.
We can all learn how to do this.
Yeah. The nice thing about the book is you can do this. You can paint across the
full
whole
page. Awesome.
Do a spread like that. So I go to cafes, I go to museums, I go everywhere. Trees.
So cool.
Whatever you want, you can sketch it. Yep.
All right.
Yep.
Sweet. All right, so you can check that out. Let me see if you have a card.
Yeah, there's a card right there. Yeah, and next year I'm going to go to Tuscany for a workshop, teaching in Tuscany.
Okay, there's the website for bookings. Perfect.
Like that was the thing too. I was like, when I wasn't doing green sheet, just like one people come, I was like, and when I can leave all the other two.
This comes in A5.
Okay?
Yeah.
My wife Nora, yeah, I thought last night was going to be this coffee, not the other.
I want to say maybe like 12.
Yeah, no problem.
Somewhere between 10 and 20.
Let's think about it.
Orlando for sure. We like cognac and this guy bucks for the bottle. Oh my gosh, it was so dangerous. It's so good.
For the Hennessy White.
No, pretty much more. 1,500, 900, 800. This is in the first year.
Very small family businesses that have been making tweed for hundreds of years.